Hello everybody. Welcome back again. In today's video I will be displaying Unity ads in Flutter app using a Unity ads plugin package which you can get on pub.dev. I know that Unity ads can be shown through AdMob mediation. But in this one, you won't need AdMob to show it. Also, this video idea came from this guy. Anyway, let's start. First of all, add the package to your pubspec.yaml. You will also need to set your min SDK version to at least 19. Now let me create a screen for the ads. You need to init the Unity ads first before being able to display it. You will need to put your Unity game ID. For this video I will be using game ID for Android only. You can also use Ad Manager which returning iOS or Android game ID based on the device. If you don't have game ID yet, go to Unity and create an account. After that, go to Unity dashboard, and go to monetize page. Create a project if you don't have one. Inside organization level, go to placement manager or add units. If you don't see placement manager option, go to project settings, on ads provider change it to AdMob mediation. Now you should be able to access placement manager. Copy the game ID and paste it. Here I made the button for showing the rewarded ad. You will need placement ID for the ad. Go back to your placement manager, you can create your own placement ad or use the ones that already auto-generated. To create a placement ad, you will need to create ad unit first inside add units page. Paste your placement ID, you can add some listener such as when video is completed, skipped, or error. Now, let's try to run the app. I really recommend you to set test mode to true when testing. Let me restart the app. Nice, now you can display Unity ads in your Flutter app. You can also check if the video ad is ready or not. Yes, this should works. For banners, all you need to do is just add Unity banner add to your screen and add a banner placement ID to it. Also for interstitial ads, you can use the same method as showing rewarded video ad. Just add interstitial placement ID to it. Great. Now you are done with displaying Unity ads in Flutter app. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask it on the comment section below. The source code from this video will be on the description. I hope you learned something new today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.